In this lesson, I will explain to you the concept of simple reflex agents. See, as the name says simple, so really it is very simple and you know the meaning of simple. And then is the agents. Right, I had explained very well the concept of agents in my last lesson, so I will highly recommend here, please watch that video as well. Agents you can consider human beings as well. Now whatever functions we are performing as a human beings, we want the same functions robots or machines should perform. That is called the agents. And then is our final word, reflex. Here the meaning of reflex is that agent should perform the action immediately. Right, so here I have made a very simple diagram, the types of intelligent agents. We have simple reflex agents, model based agents, goal based agents, utility agents, and learning agents. One by one, we will discuss all these agents, but in this lesson, our topic or our focus will be on simple reflex agents. Right, so here I have written some points related to simple reflex agents, how it works, what is the concept of simple reflex agents, and what kind of questions can come in your MCQs. So first of all, I will explain to you what kind of questions can come in your MCQs. So first is that simple reflex agents work on current perception. Right, if the question comes, if you have a MCQs A B C D, that's which simple reflection agents works, what type of perception we have, current perception, we have historic perception as well, so you have to select the current perception. After this, if and then condition, these are called the rules. If there is only one if, one then condition, then you have to say it is the simple reflex agents. And finally it operates in the fully observable environment. What is the meaning of fully observable environment? Here I will quickly give you the example of our Sudoku game or tic tac toe, right? Whatever game suppose you play, you should know each and everything of that game, even cards. So you should know there are 52 cards, right? How many queens, how many jacks, how many king, and so on. So if you know each and everything of the environment, that is called the fully observable environment. So simple reflex agents work in the current perception. They use the rule if then condition, and the environment should be fully observable. So here I have written partially observable environment. What is the meaning of it? Here I will give you quick example. Take the example of the mall. If you go to the mall, you do not know how many people are there, how what kind of products they are going to buy. Take the example of a road. You do not know how many cars are there, what are their speeds, what are their obstacles, how many trucks are there, what are their speed, and so on, right? So that kind of environment is known as the partially observable environment. So simple reflex agents do not work with partially observable environment. They work or they support fully observable environment. Right, how it works? So first of all, suppose this is the environment which I had explained to you in my last lesson as well. Then they get some information, percept with the help of sensors, right? After this, what happens? Then there is a current situation, because it works on the current perception, current situation. On current situation, whatever action you want to take, you have to apply this rule, if and then, right? If suppose, simple example, if I will say, if the room is dark, or if there is the room, or whatever is our environment is dark, right? This is the if condition. Then turn on lights. So see here, I have used only one time if and then. Definitely it will support simple reflex agents. But if I will say, suppose, if the temperature is suppose -1, then you should on your heat. right? Maybe 20 degree. If the temperature is, suppose there is -10, this is -20, then the heat should be suppose 30. Then, so if we use multiple if condition or multiple then condition, then we do not have to use simple reflex agents. We have to use model based reflex agents, which we will discuss later on, or advanced reflex agents. Right, I hope the concept is clear. So take the example of same example. This is our environment, right? This is our perception with the help of sensors. What is world like now? If it is dark, as I said, if it is dark, then you have to take some actions. So here you have to apply rules. If then, if it is dark, then turn on lights. Action to be performed, here action is to be performed with the help of actuators, and then it will change the environment again. So this is the simple concept of simple reflex agents, right? And these three things you have to keep in mind. These 3 points can come in your MCQ star. I hope the concept is clear. Please subscribe to my channel, and thanks for watching.